The reason I wanted to have dental treatment was I was very self-conscious of a hairline crack that I'd got in my left front tooth, which had some discoloration, and it actually looked like I was a smoker. And I've never smoked in my life, and I didn't really want to have this discoloration on my front tooth. I chose Cosmetic White Smiles for my treatment because I was obviously always went to the dentist on a regular basis, and my normal dentist didn't do any cosmetic work, and I had a discoloration on my front tooth, which I'd already spoken about, and his suggestion was just to use white toothpaste, which obviously I did, but it didn't really have a massive effect. So I did some research on the internet. I found the website really easy to look at. I really liked the interviews that had been carried out with the patients. I liked the photographs before and after. And I felt the recommendations on the website were really inspiring for me to think about coming here. When I first came, I was quite impressed that I was greeted by my name. Which instead of just saying, sort of Miss Pierce Hunt, it was Jeneta. So it was really friendly. And every time I enter the surgery, I'm always greeted by my first name. Nice to see you. How are you? And Sarah and Anu, Sarah's Anu's nurse, they just struck up a really nice rapport. My final results at the moment, I've had the top set of my teeth work carried out on that. I've yet to have the sort of bottom set, so I've still got some very old crowns that need matching with the tooth colour. I think the best result was having the teeth whitened, to lose that stain sort of in one session. And lots of my friends and particularly my family sort of said, oh my goodness, you can really tell the difference. And there's been a couple of comments from colleagues who obviously I haven't said I've had my teeth whitened, that have said, you look really sort of sparkly, you look much sort of like cheerful and much more younger, which I thought was a really good comment. Richard Milner, Anu suggested that I went to Richard because he specialises in doing root canals, and I'd had a real bodge job on 2 of my teeth. To the point that there was an infection right up in the root canal, which had been there for a number of years and was just seeping. Richard was absolutely fantastic. I mean, he'd got a really tough role to play by trying to get out the old filling that had been put into the root canal, which was probably about sort of 12 years old. He's really patient, he's got a real gentle manner, which makes you feel really comfortable, particularly having such an invasive dental work. So you're in the chair for a long time, really.